Hi, my name's Chris Vargo. Welcome to Text Marketing Analytics here at the University of Colorado Boulder in our Masters of Science in Data Science. I'm so glad that you've decided to take this sequence. Right now, let's just go ahead and take some time and overview how the sequence is going to work for each class. Every class is set up pretty much the same way. We'll talk about the method that you're about to use, and then we'll dive into Python code and actually make it work in a marketing context. There are really three big methods that we're going to cover in this course, and I'm really excited about each one. Text classification is a type of supervised machine learning that helps you identify documents. Topic modeling is a way to explore sets of unknown documents, and network analysis is a way to uncover the semantic relationships that words have in a set of documents. We're going to dive through each one. We're going to talk about what they are, major considerations that you need to have for each, and we're actually going to get into Python code and actually do this stuff. For all of our courses, we're going to use Google Colab. Why? Because it's a great free resource. You get free computing resources when you use Google Colab. It's really amazing. It's actually like you have a free computer on the cloud doing your bidding. I love Google Colab because it makes coding easy. There's a lot of intuitive features they've added, but in addition, they also allow you to do deep learning for free. And trust me, as someone who has to pay for GPU resources, GPUs are very expensive. So we get a tremendous value. It works well with your Google, your personal Gmail account, but it also works really well with CU Boulder's identity key. So whether you have a CU Boulder identity key or not, the class works the same. Use whatever Google account you feel most comfortable with. It works really well with Google Drive as well. And for big data sets, that can be a huge advantage. We'll learn about that in a little bit. So Python code changes over time. And what I mean by that is packages get updated, parameters that you specify might change subtly. We're going to make sure that the code that you use in this class is always up to date and that it always works. I won't always film a whole new set of video lectures just because one parameter name has changed. So if something looks off in the notebook that you're looking at, go ahead with the notebook. The video lecture might be a touch out of date. That being said, if there's any major changes, I'll be sure to refilm. The notebooks will be shared with you inside of Coursera. So there's no need for you to worry about following me every step of the way or typing down the code frantically as I do. But instead, you can actually just open up the notebook and make changes as you see fit. When in doubt, go with the Google Colab versions of the notebooks that we share with you. Each class has a conceptual quiz, which just really shows me that you are able to understand the major concepts in these areas. They're multiple choice quizzes and they're not designed to stump you. They're designed to just show me that you understood the concepts underneath these methodologies. They're open notes and they're timed, and each course has one quiz. Each course comes with an Instructor Lab Project. That's a project where you follow along with me and you implement the code necessary to perform the method. There'll be some advanced steps that I don't show you, but for the most part, you'll be able to see exactly how the code that you need to use for your project works, and you'll be able to follow along. Each project will be graded in two ways. One, you'll submit code for your project that will be graded computationally. And two, you'll submit a video talking through what you did. I think it's so important to be able to present findings and results as a result of doing text analytics. And so often we get obsessed with the method, but not the insights. So I've created these assignments with that in mind. You'll have the ability to film a short video where you talk about what you did and what you learned from the data. Both of these grades have equal weight and are equally important to me as you go through these methodologies. Each course also comes with two homeworks that are designed to test your ability to use natural language processing. Unlike the semester-long project, the homeworks are meant to be done on your own. We'll give you all the resources you need to make sure that you can complete the assignment, but we want to see that you can actually implement Python on your own. These will also be computationally graded, so you'll have to make sure that you get the code right. You'll submit your work and you'll receive a grade almost instantly. So that's pretty much it. Every course comes with a project, a quiz, and 2 homeworks. That's pretty much it. Follow along, follow the videos, and open up the relevant notebooks as they come along, and you'll fit into the course just fine. We're really excited to have you here. SCO buffs, and let's get started with text classification, aka supervised machine learning. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's get going.